Hey guys, welcome to Gadgets 360. My name is Pranay and in this video I'm going to be highlighting the best deals from the Amazon Freedom Sale. The Amazon Freedom Sale is going to end in a few hours and that means you have to act fast in case you like any of these products. I'm just highlighting these because over the weekend I've been checking quite a few of these deals and I found some nice products at some really good prices. So here goes. Let's start this video with a request to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we publish new videos. And as always, if you like the work that we do, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. Okay, so let's get this video started with my personal favorite deal of the Amazon Freedom Sale, and that is the Jabra Elite 65T. It's a pair of truly wireless earphones, and at this point you must have seen some truly wireless earphones at under 2000 rupees and you're wondering why is this person highlighting a 5000 rupee truly wireless earphone. It's because when it launched and when I had reviewed this around March 2018, at that time it was at 12,000 rupees or so, and I had said that the sound quality is better than what you get on the Apple AirPods. So that is definitely something to look forward to at 5,000 rupees, and apart from that you also get really good battery life on this product. So lots to look forward to, and at 5,000 rupees I don't think it's a deal that you should miss in case you're looking for a pair of truly wireless earphones. The next product that I want to highlight is a slightly bigger audio product. It's the Sony WH-1000XM3. I was really worried that I'm gonna say something wrong over there, but thankfully I got the name right. The name may be a little boring and a little difficult to say, but the product is actually quite interesting and it's also very easy to use. So it's a pair of noise cancelling headphones that takes on the Bose QC series, and I think it does a great job. We've done a great review of this on gadgets360.com, so be sure to check that out. You'll get all the information that you need about this product. And what I can say is that at the price of 20,000 rupees, you should get this product if you want a pair of noise cancelling headphones. It's a really good deal and the product is really good, so I have no hesitation in recommending this one for you. Moving on, let's talk about another audio product which is slightly bigger than the previous one, and this time it's a soundbar. So this is the Bose Solo 5, which honestly was a bit under the radar. Like I hadn't even spotted this until I was searching for something over the weekend. So the Bose Solo 5 is going at a price of around 15,000 rupees, and at that price I would consider any soundbar, forget one that is from a reputed brand such as Bose. So with the Solo 5 you get some really nice features such as the ability to boost dialogue audio, which is a problem that I encounter quite often with Hollywood movies. I've seen that the dialogue volume is too low and the explosions and other music effects or whatever else is there is a bit too loud. So this speaker corrects that to some extent, and apart from that you get a nice universal remote which can control other devices that are connected to your TV such as a Blu-ray player, etc. And finally you also get the ability to connect to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth, so it can be a nice speaker even for listening to music or watching movies with your other devices. Okay, from speakers it's time to move to TVs. The OnePlus TV Q1 series is on sale during the Amazon Freedom Sale, and I would say that in case you want a QLED TV, you are not gonna get a better deal than this anytime soon. So this is a good time to buy the OnePlus TV Q1 series. Now note that we have reviewed the OnePlus TV Q1 Pro, but not the Q1. But the major difference between these two TVs is the fact that you get a nice mechanical speaker which rolls down very slowly and looks really cool when it does so on the OnePlus TV Q1 Pro, which is the more expensive of the two. The Q1 is the more affordable one that has a discount of around 10,000 rupees right now, and the Q1 Pro is the one where you're getting about 20,000 rupees off right now. So either way, the deals are really good. In case you're in the market for a QLED TV, you can't go wrong with this one. We mentioned a lot of things in our review. Be sure to go to gadgets360.com to check that out once before you buy. And of course, then if you want a TV, then get this one. It's not exactly what I would call a budget TV, but in the premium space, it gives you excellent value for money. Since we're talking about OnePlus, let's also highlight the smartphones from this company that are on sale right now. Now, the OnePlus 70 and the 70 Pro both are at a really good price currently, so you can check those deals out. Now, the OnePlus 70 is at around 36,000 rupees and the OnePlus 70 Pro is at around 44,000 rupees. And I think if you compare this to the launch prices for both the devices, the pricing is still pretty good. With the 70, you still get excellent value for money thanks to the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. And apart from that, you're also getting some nice features over there, including that camera setup, which has a telephoto camera, which has been removed in newer OnePlus smartphones. So in case you want a nice phone with Oxygen OS and a versatile camera setup, then this is the one to get. With the 70 Pro, it's a bit of a 50-50 decision because around the same price, you also are getting the OnePlus 8, which is a much more modern and future-proof device in some ways. But if you want that pop-up selfie camera and a notchless display, you might want to consider the OnePlus 70 Pro instead. It's still a great smartphone. Now it's time to highlight the Redmi K20 Pro, which is going for a great price during this sale. The 6GB RAM 128GB storage variant of this device is going for 22,999, which is a good price for what you're getting here. Storage is not expandable, so be sure you're aware of that before buying this device. But once you're sure about that, you can look at other factors such as the lovely design that you get here, a pop-up selfie camera, which means you get a notchless display on this device, and apart from that, you also get some nice features that you get with other Xiaomi phones, such as good battery life and good performance as well, thanks to the Snapdragon 855 processor that you get on this smartphone. Now, while I know that this smartphone is about a year old, I think it still holds up very well in terms of performance, but do keep in mind that this ships with MIUI, which has a lot of spammy notifications, bloatware and ads. Now, you can fix this problem to some extent by watching our video on how to remove ads from MIUI, and after following that, you will get a much more usable experience from this software. But apart from that, I think some people still may feel that no, that is too much, I don't want all that clutter on my phone, and they may choose to go for other options. So sure, you can do that, but know that at this price, the Redmi K20 Pro does offer a great deal even now. If you're an iPhone user and looking for a good smartwatch, then I don't think it gets better than the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch Series 3 has been at a good price for a long time, and during this Amazon Freedom Sale, the price is even better than before. So you're getting this smartwatch at around 23,000 rupees right now for the 42mm variant, and the 38mm variant keeps going in and out of stock, but I've seen it at around 20,000 rupees, and the deals are really good for both these devices. Now, some of you may be worried that this is a 2-year-old smartwatch and should I buy this or not? Well, the performance is still fairly good, it's still getting the latest software updates, and this is also a swim-proof device, so that means you don't have to worry about water damage or anything. You can use it to track your swimming workouts and other fitness routines quite well. Now, if you're wondering what you don't get on this device, you are not going to get that ECG reading, which is a good feature on Series 4 and Series 5. Unfortunately, that is not supported here, but otherwise I don't think you're going to be missing out on much. I think that the Series 3 still is a great smartwatch for all iPhone users. Okay, so those were our favorite deals from the Amazon Freedom Sale. Which ones are yours? Please let us know via the comments. And as always, for all things tech, be sure to check out Gadgets360.com.